Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to change video file formats in OBS Studio. So you do this before recording that video that you want to. You go to file, then settings, then you go to output, and here there is the third option, which is recording format. You change it to any format that you want to. So I'm already recording, so it's already in MP4, but if you haven't started recording, it should be fine. It will be, and that will show various file formats that you can choose from. So you select the file format that you want to. So that's how it is. And if you want to change any video file format that you already recorded, but it's in a file format that you don't want, and you want to change it to an MP4, you go to file, and then the second option, which is Remax recordings. So as you can see, drop files in this window to Remax, or select an empty OBS recording. So to browse one file, so you click this three dots in the middle, and it should show you where your recordings are. So I'm going to choose this one since it's an MKV file. So you select it and then you open. So as you can see, it's here, it's the recording and the target file, which is already changed to MP4. So all you have to do is Remax it, and here it says the following target files already exist because I already Remaxed it, but let me replace it. So that's how it is. It's changing it, and that's how easy it is. You already changed your file to an MP4. So that's how you change video file formats in OBS Studio to a file format that you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like to this video if you really got some value out of it, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing how-to videos. Bye.